Oh my goodness, I got my VoTino mystery box. This is heavy, bro. All right, let's open it up. I'm so excited. Oh my god, the box is even hot pink. I love it. I love it. Oh my god, are we ready? It's like so full. Okay. This is 3 gifts, which is, oh, look at how pretty. Oh my god, I love this. Yay, I'm gonna have fun using that. Alright, on to the really, really good stuff. Look at this. It is so full of product. Yay! I got Malibu clay. Oh, and it glows. Oh my god, I'm so tempted to like open these. Like, no. Like, no. Ooh, I can see some right there. Oh my god, I cannot wait to play with this. We have another clay glow. This one is flamingo, so I'm thinking it's either some kind of red or hot pink. Right? I need to get myself familiarized with it. Oh my god, look at that color. Look at that color. Absolutely love. Here we have... Wait, what are these? I don't want to say something and then like mess up and it's not that. These are, ooh, the luminous powders. Luminous powder number 5. I think there's a sheet that tells you what you got, but I don't want to read it yet because I want to be surprised. We have another, right? Luminous powder number 3. This is hot pink clay dough. All right, so this one is not a glow, right? Yeah. Sealed, so it's completely new. Honestly, for $99 plus shipping, excellent. Oh my god, I got so many clay glows. Violet, I want to see this color. Lately, I have been obsessed with violet. Look at this color, it's so pretty. They glow, like I cannot freaking wait. I imagine you activate it with the UV, it'll glow for you. Oh, caramel clay dough. This is gonna be great for character art, character sculpting. Perfect. Another luminous powder, number 1. Luminous powder number 2. Yes, I got the texture gel in red. You don't know how much I wanted this texture gel. Also sealed, so we know it's brand new. I'll definitely be playing with these, and I'll make videos specific to each product that I'll be playing with. Nude pink clay dough, sealed, brand new, love it. This is gonna be a good color for character sculpting as well. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I've never ever gotten a mystery box before, so I'm pleasantly surprised. We have, ooh, magnetic cat eye and mahogany. Look at this color, bro. That's pretty. I don't think I have any cat eyes in this color. We have orange gel color. I also do not have orange just because I'm not a fan of orange, but obviously it's in the color wheel, so we need it. So I'm really, really excited that so far I've gotten things that I do not have. Color gel, the color canary. So pretty. It's like a muted yellow. I was like, I wonder why that one doesn't have the cap, but I think because it kind of popped off, but that's fine. It happens. It happens. The color brown, which is, I'm gonna sound like I'm doing this on purpose, but I'm not. I actually ran out of my brown nail polishes, so this is perfect. I feel like this mystery box was custom made for me. Love it. The next color we have is also a gel solid color, which is magenta. That's really pretty. Orchid, that's a pretty purple. Ah, yes. Perfect. I was just gonna say, without reading the name, the perfect turquoise color. I haven't opened any of these because I want to play with them so bad. Look at that. Ooh, I already know it's gonna be like a buttery consistency. It'll be great to apply. They do have an odor, but it's not overwhelming. Ooh, magnetic cat eye in guava. That is gonna be pretty. Look at that shift. Yep, this is definitely the perfect description. Guava. I love cat eye. I've been obsessed with cat eye. If you follow my page, you know this. Green. Also, not a fan of green, but that is why I needed it, because I don't have enough green on my nail table. This is perfect. Okay, we have another luminous powder, number 4. Ooh, another texture gel in pink. Look at how cute this packaging is, though. Isn't that so cute? I will definitely do this again. He does another mystery box. I want it. Chocolate clay dough and halo clay dough. God, I cannot wait. I keep on saying the same thing. I cannot wait to play with these. Last but not least, the VoTino Glams kit. I am excited. I'm excited for this one. Oh my lord. This is beautiful. Like, I cannot wait to play with these. This is gonna be like so amazing for Christmas. Even now for Halloween, it doesn't really matter. Glitter is glitter. and everybody loves a little glitter moment. Yay, so that is my mystery box. I am so pleasantly surprised. I know they're good quality products, so I'm excited to start creating with these, especially the texture gels. I've been crazy to get my hands on those. Right, so it tells you what you get in the mystery box. I just didn't want to read this beforehand because I wanted to be pleasantly surprised, as I was. Of the new gel color collection, which is 4 colors of super pigmented for polishing or nail art design. Love that. These are the 4. 5 gel colors. And it says these are pigmented color for polishing or nail art design. It sticks very well to pigment after it's cured. 60 seconds in LED or UV light. So these are the 5 colors I got. Next up we have the Glamorous Glitter Box. Amazing cosmetic glitter, high quality, fine and chunky mixed. Apply with acrylic or builder gel. That's this box right here. 3 color clay glows. This is glow in the dark 3D gel to mold with, creating 3D designs non-stick formula. These, they're big. I feel like I can get so many beautiful designs out of this. Looking forward to using that. Assortment of clay doughs. This gel is like playing with clay, but it's non-stick to your fingers. Stick to pigment after it dries. Ooh, love that. Got 5 beautiful colors that I will definitely get so much use of. Next up, pink and red textured gel. This gel is, oh my god, thixotrophic, which means its viscosity decreases. When agitated, stir it up with a nail spatula for it to become smoother. To draw embossed 3D design, you can also apply on the surface and carve it. Oh my god, I love that. I love that. So I'm very curious to play with these. Oh my god, next video coming soon? I think so, next video coming soon. Alright, next on the list is our luminous powder. This powder glows brilliantly in the dark. Apply by pouring it on wet gel polish, then cure 60 seconds in LED UV light. Been so crazy to play with glow in the dark anything because I feel like I don't have glow in the dark anything. I have like glow pigments that glow in UV light, but not glow in the dark. So I cannot wait to play with that. The 5 colors that I got and our free gift. So what do you guys think? Is it worth the $99? I definitely think so. I think I paid $109 with shipping. We'll try again. Highly recommend. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for when I play with these goodies. Bye!